Hello everyone. So here we will continue the part of research writing types. We have discussed 4 types till now. Now moving ahead, we will discuss about the 5th type of research writing. Kindly keep in mind what are the various key point of differences in all this type. Argumentative, analytical, definition paper, descriptive and definition paper, and then we have discussed about the compare and the contrast paper. Now we will move ahead for the 5th type of research paper. This is the cause and the effect research paper type. So cause and effect. So in this method, the reaction finding studies are expressed. Reaction finding studies are expressed. Now, what do you mean by it? It is the simple aspect that for each and every action there will be equal and opposite reaction. So if anything is happening, it will create an impact, and the paper is in such a way that it will express the reason, that means the cause, and what will be the impact of it, or what is the impact of it, right? It can be the part of forecasting, or it can be the part of the present condition scenario. So this is the research type in which basically the research writer needs to think and write the 2 questions. First, why this particular thing happened. So this is a question which should come to the mind. Why this particular thing happened? Okay. And another question that should come to the mind is that what will be the impact of this? This happened, and what will be the impact of this? So the cause and the effect of that particular thing, or in other words, action and the reaction. So while writing up such a type of papers, it is very necessary that you should write up the cause, in which condition it happened, and now either you can write about the present situation or you can write about the future conditions, that is also called as forecasting. With the help of example we can discuss. Now suppose, looking towards the global scenario, it is normally said that the Third World War will be related to the water, and it is said to be the water war will happen. Now why this statementing is placed? It is placed because huge amount of water consumption is there, and because of it the available resources for the domestic purpose as well as for the industrial purpose is very less. This is creating an acute pressure on the resource water. So now if the part of research is, a paper is based on the study of why the groundwater resources are depleting, why the groundwater level is decreasing day by day, and what will be its impact. So the question that comes to the mind, why the groundwater level and the sources are reducing, okay, and then what will be the effect. So the action is decrease in the groundwater level in the continuous yearly pattern, and the reaction will be studied. That means it will create an acute pressure. It will be hard enough to manage the water sources, even if it can be forecasted that up to the years 2050 or 2060 the huge amount of water bodies will be dried. So over here the purpose of the research was to study the effect of the cause, that is the scarcity of water and decrease in the groundwater sources, and its impact in the future. So similarly many more studies can be done in which you can think about the cause and then you can think about the effect of the particular thing, right? So this is one more type of the research paper writing, in which you describe the cause and you describe the probable effect or the effect that is being created. So we will stop over here with this. Thank you.